Hey guys, I want to go ahead and show you our Eeyore stuffed animal. So this is from Winnie the Pooh. You can see his tail here. He's going to have the pink little bow that Eeyore always has. This guy is 8 years old, so he's definitely been loved in our house, which is why his tail kind of looks the way it does, kind of matted a little. And then of course ours came with a red little scarf here because at the time we bought him during Christmas time. He does have his big floppy ears, with which are pinkish purple on the inside, and then his hair on the top. And then originally he actually would sit up a little bit on his front feet, but over the years, his stuffing here on his arms will not allow him to kind of sit up, so he just kind of slides on down. But anyway, he's about, with the tail, a good foot long. But if you don't include the tail, I would say he's about maybe 10 or 11 inch, maybe about 10 inches. So I just wanted to go ahead and kind of show you what he looks like. He is still super soft, just that we got him. The only thing is just, his matted hair because, my kids have loved on him for a very long time already. So anyway, this is Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh.